Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I will be opening door number 7 of my Star Wars Lego Advent Calendar. There we go, we'll see what we get. Let's find number 7 first. Number 7's down here. We have Chewbacca with a fire. So it should be a nice simple build. And we have some spare bits again. So we have Chewbacca, this figure here, quite a nice figure and some nice detailing on it. And Chewbacca has a little fire for heating his food up, because we all know Chewbacca's always hungry. So there we go, nice figure. Possibly one of my favourite figures so far. Well, compared against the Stormtrooper, I would definitely agree. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for your time.